Ginger has many health benefits, including relief of nausea, digestive problems and pain. The most used part of the plant for medicinal purposes is the root, known as rhizomes. It can be eaten fresh, powder, dry, as a seasoning, or used in the form of an oil or juice. If you do not use ginger in your kitchen, here are 8 reasons to start now. 1. Relieves digestive problems. Phenolic compounds ginger help in irritation of the gastrointestinal tract. They help stimulate saliva and bile production, allowing food and liquid to move more smoothly. 2. Relieves pain. A study at the University of Georgia found that daily supplementation of ginger reduced muscle pain by 25%. Ginger can also be used to reduce the pain during the menstrual cycles. 3. Reduces inflammation. Osteoarthritis is a common health problem involving the degeneration of the body's joints, causing joint pain and stiffness. In a study of 247 people with osteoarthritis of the knee, those who took ginger extract had less pain and required less pain medication. 4. Relieves nausea. Drinking ginger tea or consume raw ginger is a homely and safe way to relieve nausea, especially during cancer treatment or during pregnancy. 5. Reduces the risk of heart disease. In a recent study involving subjects with type 2 diabetes, the researchers found that 2 grams of ginger powder every day reduced the blood sugar, which led to a 10% reduction in total, over a period of 12 weeks. The high sugar in blood is a risk factor for heart disease. 6. Lowers cholesterol levels. A 45-day study involving 85 people with high cholesterol concluded that 3 grams of ginger powder per day caused significant decreases in cholesterol levels. Researchers believe that ginger can help reduce cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. 7. Has anti-cancer properties. A substance in ginger, known as 6-gingerol, has been studied as an alternative treatment for various cancers. This theory is still being investigated, but a recent study found that 2 grams of ginger extract per day significantly reduced the pro-inflammatory molecules in the colon. 8. Can improve brain function. Chronic and stress inflammation are 2 factors that may accelerate the aging process, and becomes a key factor of Alzheimer's disease and other cognitive impairments associated with aging. Some studies suggest that antioxidants and ginger bioactive compounds can inhibit inflammatory responses that occur in the brain. A study of 60 women aged showed that ginger extract can improve the reaction time of the brain and memory. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.